aging or range analysis. Aging or range analysis we can also do with the pivot table. In our example, we have some sales information here. Now first we will add the pivot table. Insert pivot table, click OK, new sheet. And then we want to do analysis, range analysis based on the units sold. So just click on the unit sold. Also move this to rows and change the calculation type from sum to count here. Now come to table, display table, right click here, grouping. We will do the group with start from 0 and at 100 and increment by 15. So 0 to 14 units have been sold 14 times. 30 to 44 units have been sold 13 times. 60 to 74 units have been sold 5 times. And 90 to 104 units have been sold 5 times. So total number of times 73, and this is how we can do analysis.